You want to try?
Hey, Beal.
Hello. You want to try? You want to try?
Yeah.
Spring onion.
Spring onion. What's this one?
Celery.
Curry.
Celery
Celery.
Celery. Ah.
and big chili. Big chili. Not spicy. And garlic.
Garlic?
Yes.
Oh, right. That was the tops of the celery.
Yeah, it's like a leafy one.
Yeah. The celery is only the top of the celery, not the bottom. Only the leaf.
I show you.
Coriander.
Coriander. Right.
And spring onion.
Yep.
Spring onion.
Spring onion. Yep, yep, yep.
Well, this is cilantro. Very cool as well, some places.
Garlic first. Little bit oil.
Little bit oil.
Yes.
Two eggs.
Yes. Can you know this one? I don't know.
Ah, what is this one?
Chili paste.
Chili powder
Actually, they're not allowed to spray anywhere near.
and curry powder.
Ah, curry powder.
Yes. Curry powder. Hot water. Curry powder.
Mmm.
Curry.
Got the whole sachet?
I think little bit more. Because too much cook.
Okay.
If you want, I can add.
I just
Yes.
sweet curry.
Okay.
That's like an Indian, more like an Indian curry, I think.
From India?
It's like a jam, isn't it?
Mm.
Okay.
Egg. Makes it all stick. Makes it stick to the crab. Makes it stick to the crab.
Yes, sir. If you fry crab, everything same.
Yeah.
Crab and chicken first. And little bit milk.
Milk.
This is not milk.
Mm-hmm. Sugar.
Yes. Sugar. Sugar. Aromas.
What's this one?
Aromas.
Aromat.
Yes.
That one.
Aromat. Aromat.
Little bit. Little bit.
Aromat. That could be.
Ready? Okay.
More of it.
Too much cung. Big cung.
Yeah.
Smell.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay. It's fine.
Yeah, you did the stir, Scott. So we've got a garlic prawns.
Hey?
We've got garlic prawns, and then we go on to curry.
You like prawn or crab?
Crab. I love prawn. Yeah, prawn is very good, but crab is number one.
Today, not crab. About wind.
Yeah.
Monday, you.
Right.
Everything.
Prawn half cooked.
There's some music in this bit, Bruce.
This is why we.
I'll do it, Dad. I'll do it.
Little bit.
This one, the soy.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster.
Oyster. This one.
Yes.
Yep. Oyster sauce.
Little bit. Chup, 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 chup. Little bit.
Soy.
Soya
Yeah.
sauce
Is that sweet soy or a taste?
from peanut.
Yeah. Normal soy.
Last one.
Last one, vegetables. Yeah.
If you like onion, you can put more.
Yeah, I like
Little bit
onion.
today.
Onion, my favourite vegetable. Goes with anything. It's sweet.
That's sweet, yeah. More salt.
Little bit more.
More salt, more soy. Yep. Salt, yeah.
You like sweet or not?
Yep.
Ready now.
It is
5
done.
minutes.
Send your what be Gabriel? Gabriel. How you going, mate?
Thanks. Don't wash it off?
No, thank you.
Holly,
How are your sandwiches?
Georgia, you can do it.
Can you pass me that tissue, please?
Look at the little angel. Mom, look at Georgie.
She's cute.
Verdict, Scott.
Okay, fine.
Give two to Gemma.
George.
Don't know, Bruce.
Did you cook this, Bruce? Did you? How did you start?